is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there. Now then, do you have trouble finding your videos because they're all over the place, mixed up, in the wrong boxes? What you need is one of these. This is a video city. Come and have a look at this. Take your empty video cases, as many as you can lay your hands on, and arrange them to look like a skyscraper. Now, I've got a row of shops here, believe it or not. This will be a roof, and these will be skyscrapers in the distance like that. And when you're happy with the arrangement, you could experiment with different shapes. Just take some PVA glue and slop it on your cassette boxes and glue them together. Now the idea is to make the structure really strong. Use PVA glue or a good strong glue, and make sure you put plenty of glue on and just glue them together, top and bottom. Glue all the boxes together, and when they're glued, you'll have something that looks like this, a nice strong skyscraper structure. And to make it even stronger, cut the side from a cardboard box and just place your skyscraper on the cardboard box, draw around the bottom or the base of your city, cut that shape out so you have something that looks like that, and then lay it down like that, draw around it again, and then cut that out, and you'll have something that looks like the front. And then just take your PVA glue and stick on the base. Again, the idea is to make the whole thing very strong. So on goes my PVA glue. Now you can take a lot more time over this, just doing it quickly to show you. And stand your video city onto its base like that. And there it is, and that'll give it a nice strong base to stand on. And when it's dry, just lay it down on its back and just place the top on like that. And the idea is to make a front flap. And you do this by taking some wide tape, get tape as wide as you can possibly get, and just tape the bottom row of buildings to the side of your cassette boxes like that. And then just open it up, and on the inside pop another length of tape just in there like that. And if you haven't got tape as wide as this, try and get hold of some, but if not, you could always use thinner tape. But if I was you, I'd just put it across the other way and do 2 lengths of tape for that, for strength, because what you're looking for is a nice hinge there and a flap on the front. And to strengthen it even more, take your PVA glue and just slop it all over the back of your structure, all over the back of the cassette boxes, the top, the bottom, the sides and the back, and just put in some newspaper, strips of newspaper. I've just torn them up. And yes, you've guessed it, we're just creating a papier-mâché, a newspaper papier-mâché over the whole of the structure. And you can always put some PVA glue over the newspaper when you've put them in. But whatever you do, don't put any newspaper or glue on the front. And when you've covered the whole thing, apart from the front, you'll have something that looks like that. And look at that. The PVA glue and newspaper have formed this really rock-hard shell. So that structure is really firm now. Now, let's design our city. Well, I think what I'm going to do is have some shops down here at the front, down there like that, and just divide the shop up there. And I think we'll go for some office blocks up here, round there, and maybe one there like that. And you see I'm just drawing sections where the different buildings are. I think we'll have a skyscraper up there, and it doesn't have to be neat or anything, it's just as a guide. And you could always stick on strips of cardboard that you've cut out for these shop fronts and create a doorway there. And maybe shops have canopies. I've got some double-sided tape on there. You can glue them on or tape them on. And you've even got signs on the front of shops, haven't you? So we'll put those in there like that. And then the idea is to paint the whole thing. Paint it black. There it is, black at the top, sides and the back and the bottom. And on the front, paint your bottom row of buildings, like the shops here, black and then get lighter as you're going up. So you've got a medium grey here and you've got light grey at the top, giving this impression of distance. And then you can put in the finer detail. Now I'm going to use this white pencil here just to show you. I'm going to put the sign in, and then in the doorway there'll be a door. And I'll put some steps in there, I think, just at the bottom of the doorway. There'll be steps along there. And again, I'm just doing it in rough because you can paint finer points in later. And I think we'll need some windows in here, one there, maybe one there. And the windows, as you get higher up, of course, will get smaller and smaller as you get further into the distance, so that at the top of your skyscrapers, they'll literally just be, well, almost slits. And then just paint in the detail. I'm going to use some poster paint here. I've used poster paint and acrylic paint on this. And just put some nice bright colour at the top there, because obviously the lights are on. And there they are. And you could always use some gold or silver pen on the writing. Put that in there, I think. Just make it a little fancier. Like that. And I think, just to make it fancier still, just do some dots around the outside. Like that. And you can continue and do all your detail. And when it's finished, it should look as spectacular as this. And look at that, and let you into a secret. It took me absolutely ages to do all of those windows in there, but I think it's worth it because I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, if you've only got a couple of video cassette boxes, you could always just do a real small one, do just the front of the cinema, like that, and the more cassettes you get, the bigger you build your city. And there it is. I think it looks very impressive, and it keeps all of those cassettes, all of those video cassettes, very tidy. Try it yourself. Tidy up your video cassettes with a video city.
Hello, it's me again, the head. Now, just glue your empty cases together, add a cardboard base, a door and signs, and with the help of some papier-mâché and paint, you'll have built your very own city. But please remember to put your videotapes safely to one side before you start. Otherwise, they'll end up like this. It's quite sad, actually, because my favourite films were on those.